Blue Yeti USB microphone unboxing. We are going to unpack Blue Yeti microphone and test one of the issues it has when it comes to the sound, whether it's on Android or iPhone. As you can see, it's $100 on Amazon right now. Hit the like button. So let's unpack Blue Yeti. This is a Blue Yeti microphone. Here's the cable, mini jack to USB. So one end is a mini jack, the other end is a USB, regular USB. Here we have our Blue Yeti. It's blue, as you can see. Now let's connect our cable and connect to the computer first, and then later on we can connect to the Android phone. You have to tie it, make sure it's tight so it's not moving, it's not loose, so that it can move around. And then from underneath you connect the mini jack. The other side will be connected to the computer. The USB connector will be connected to the computer. Make sure it's very connected, turned on, and here you go. You connect underneath using the mini jack side. One end is a mini jack, the other end is a USB, regular USB. Now if you want to connect to the Android phone, you need the connector. Like I'm showing you, this is the connector you need, but we don't need now, as we are going to connect to the computer right away. So it has to be connected like this if you connect to the Android phone. So now, as we are going to connect to the computer straight, you remove the connector and connect the USB straight to the computer, to your PC, and you can hear the sound, it's connected. Then you can start talking. Hello everyone, let's test Blue Yeti on the computer. This is on the computer, straight connect to the computer. And we are going to test it on Android phone in a moment. This is Blue Yeti straight connect to the computer. In a moment, we are going to test it on Android phone. When you see the red light means it's connected. So I removed it from the computer. You can see the red light is gone, meaning our Blue Yeti is not connected. So now let's connect our Blue Yeti to the Android phone. Android phone, here I'm using S21. Connect to the connector and connect to your Android phone. In this case, I'm using S21. You see the light is back on. That's how you know your Blue Yeti is ready to go. You can start recording right now. As you can see now, I connect Blue Yeti on Android phone. This is the difference. So you can hear the difference. So when it's connected to the PC or when it's connected to Android phone, you can distinguish the difference between the two. Sometimes you have Blue Yeti sound issue. You connect your Blue Yeti to Android, you hear nothing. What's the problem? So what's wrong? So when you connect Blue Yeti to Android phone, do not expect to hear the voice or the sound coming out. You record the voice, and then afterwards, that's when you play the sound, it will come out. You don't have to fix anything. That's the mistake so many people make. When they connect Yeti to Android phone, they expect to hear the sound. No. You disconnect, first of all, disconnect Blue Yeti, and then play the music or your voice, your sound, whatever, and then you will hear that it's all coming out. So you don't hear it when it's connected, so you have to disconnect it. You cannot hear your voice when Blue Yeti is connected. You need to disconnect Blue Yeti first and play your sound. This is how it's done. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when, of course, you are connected, your Blue Yeti is still connected to the phone, you won't be able to hear the voice or the sound. You need to disconnect Blue Yeti first, and then you can bring your video to the editor you want So you have to open your video or your sound to the editor. Like I have Clipchamp, that's the one I use. You can use any you want, otherwise you won't be able to hear the sound. That's why so many people say, hey, we can't hear any voice, we can't hear any sound. What's going on? It's because Blue Yeti is still connected to your phone and it has to use external. So you don't have to download any app. Don't download any app, because in the beginning I was thinking, hey, it's not working. I tried to download apps, nothing worked, but the only way to fix it, record your video, and then after that, unplug Blue Yeti and export or import from your editor like Clipchamp or whatever you use, CapCut, any of these you use, then you will be able to hear your voice. This is Blue Yeti Android phone issue, sound issue fixed. That's how you fix it. You connect Blue Yeti to your Android, record your voice, and once you're done, disconnect Blue Yeti and then import your video to any editor you want. Then you'll be able to hear the sound. Thank you for watching.